Good morning, boys and girls. It's a fourth day. I hope everybody is doing okay. And we are going to finish our module today. It's going to be lesson 29 and lesson 30. And make sure that you do your RDW and exit ticket problems. Okay? Just try your best with great focus.
We are now on our last day of Module 5 and we will begin with Lesson 29, I Can Statement. It says compare fractions with the same numerator using less than, greater than, or equal, and use a model to reason about their size. Okay, so let's look at number 1 that's already done for us. Okay. The direction says label each shaded fraction. Use greater than, less than, or equal to compare. The first one has been done for you. Okay, the fraction here is 2/6 because there's 6 equal parts and there's 2 shaded. And here the fraction is 2/3 because there's 3 equal parts and there's 2 shaded. Now, as you can see, this is smaller than this. So we say 2/6 is less than 2/3. Now, for number 2, I will leave this for you. I will answer number 3. Okay, so for 3, set up our fraction bar. It's the total parts. We have 4 and 1 is shaded. So that's 1/4. And then we have total parts is 2 and 1 is shaded. So now let's take a look. This is our 1/4 and this is our 1/2. What do you think? It is 1/4 is less than 1/2. Alright, boys and girls, you also do number 4, okay? You can do it. And if you're confused, just replay the video. Number 5, it says, partition each number line into the units labeled on the left. Then use the number lines to compare the fractions. So now, I make sure that I partition each number line, okay? And then, of course, we're going to compare. Let's take a look at the fractional units. This one is halves, so that means I'm going to have 2 parts of the whole. It's right there. And then label 0/2, 1/2, 2 halves equal to 1 whole. Fourths, 4 parts. 2 parts first, and then now we have 4. Skip count by 1/4, starting from 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, which is equal to a whole. Now let's move on to 8s. 8 parts. I have 2 parts. Split it. Now I have 4, and then split the middle of your fourths, and then you will get 8s. Label 8s, 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8, or a whole. Now that I am ready to compare, I will use another color so it's easy for me and for you to understand. Letter A says 3/8 is what to 3/4? Where is 3/8? I'm going to use my 8s and I'm going to use my 4ths since that's my total parts here. 3/8 is right here. And 3/4 is right here. Now, which one went farther? 3/8 or 3/4? Of course, 3/4. So that means 3/8 is less than 3/4. All right, and then let's do letter B. It says 4/4 and 4/8. Where's 4/4? Right here. And where's 4/8? Right here. Now, I'm going to show you the jump of 4/4. A whole. I'm going to show you the jump of 4/8. Oops, it's just a half. So let me see. What is the answer? 4/4 is greater than 4/8. Now, boys and girls, I want you to do letter C on your own, okay? You can do this. Just have a great focus. All right, boys and girls, we are still comparing fractions with the same numerator using greater than, less than, or equal, and use a model to reason about their size. So from the first page, we use a number line model. On this page, we can use our illustration or our drawing model of the fraction strips or bars. Okay, so you will be doing number 7 and number 8. I'll be modeling number 6 and number 9. Here we go. 3/10. 3/10 will have 10 parts. So what I'm going to do, I will take half of it and make 5 and 5 on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that I have my 1/10 in each, okay, I will now shade 3. So this will be my 3/10. Now for 3/5, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the same size of my hole. But this time I'm just going to make 5. Okay, so I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will be 1/5. But I need to shade 3 because it says 3/5. So that's 1/5, another 1/5, and another 1/5. Now, as you can see, boys and girls, we have 3/10 here and 3/5 here. What do you think is the answer? GLE, greater than, less than, or equal. Think? You're correct. 3/10 is less than 3/5. Now, let's move on to number 9. Girls, we are on number 9. It says Erica ate 2/9 of a licorice stick. Robbie ate 2/5 of an identical licorice stick. Who ate more? Use the model below to support your answer. Okay, so we have two people in the problem. It's Erica. We can use E for Erica and R for Robbie. Now, Erica ate 2/9, so I'm going to write 2/9, 2 shaded. 1, 2. Next, Robbie, 2/5. 2/5. 2 shaded. 1, 2. Now, it says who ate more. Let's take a look. Which one is more? The 2/9 or the 2/5? Of course, this one is more. So we can say 2/9 is less than 2/5. Remember less? That's the symbol. Now to answer the question, who ate more? Robbie ate more. Because this is the reason 2/9 is less than 2/5. All right, boys and girls, I am so happy that we are ending our module. So for lesson 30, please wait for the video